For me, a snack is more important than a meal. Today's snack, we're not making pizza, we're making our version of focaccia. Our little snack, using Happy Days pizza bases. First, your two bases, a drizzle of olive oil on each, and using a brush, spread the oil across the surface of the base. Nice. Now take fresh or dry rosemary and sprinkle on each base. Beautiful. Now, both in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. And now let's make the dip to accompany your rosemary focaccia. Hummus, the easy way. Okay, 1 tin of chickpeas. Place it in your mixing jug. Minced garlic, pepper, salt, a 1/4 teaspoon cumin, lemon juice, and some olive oil. And with your hand blitzer, smush and smush until all the ingredients are smoothly smushed. It's that easy. Okay, let me just wipe the counter. Now decant your hummus in a bowl and add about 4 to 6 sliced peppadews to the hummus. Mix and you're done. Some advice from someone who understands hunger: never go shopping when hungry, or you'll end up being the proud owner of aisle 5.
Could the owner of aisle 5 please come to the checkout counter? Owner of aisle 5 to the checkout.
Now, 1 onion sliced in a pan with some olive oil. I'm not going to show you how to saute an onion. By now you should know how. 4 to 5 minutes in a pan with a drizzle of olive oil. That's it. Now, back to the oven to check on our focaccia. Ah, perfect. Remove from the oven and let's start the snacking. Cut your bases into as many slices as you like. And let's prep on a platter. I'm using parchment paper on this platter. I like to crunch the paper and then to place it down. Why? I saw it once on TV. I'm also going to use a flat plate to decant the hummus, but a bowl is cool too. I add a little extra drizzle of olive oil to the bowl before serving. And on the plate it goes. Add your sauteed onions to the top of the hummus, garnish with some additional peppadews, and add the focaccia slices onto your platter. Simple as that. And let's snack, guys. Help yourselves, either with a spoon or scooping your focaccia. A little snack before your main meal, just to take the edge of your hunger. This is Moorish. Delicious.